In this video, I am discussing fourth standard mathematics, chapter 14, time. Time exercise 14.4. Before exercise, see some basics. To calculate the time to complete a work or an event. Let us consider this example. Rahul leaves his house at 7:30 a.m. and reaches his school at 9 a.m. So, what is the time taken by him to reach the school? Just simply subtract 9 a.m. 7:30 a.m. from 9 a.m. We will get what time he takes. 7:30. 1 hour 30 minutes. Just 1 hour 30 minutes he taken. Yes. Exercise 14.4. First one. An exhibition was arranged from 7/9/2012. 7 September 2012 to 10 September 2012. How many days was the exhibition arranged? 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 4 days exhibition arranged. 4 days. Next. Second one. For Ahmed school, the holidays were announced for 14 days from 2nd October 2012 after the vacation. On which date did the school reopen? That means 14 days means from 2nd onwards to 14 days. uh, 6, 1. That means if we consider 2nd October, school will be reopened in 15th October. Because 2nd is also holiday. Therefore, 16 minus 1. 15th will be the school day. Third one. Suresh went on a trip from his school from 3rd October 2011 to 7th October 2011. For how many days was he away from the school? That means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He went a trip. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. He away from school 5 days. Next, fourth one. Malati attended the preparatory examination in her school from 20th February 2012 for 6 days. On which date Did she complete her examination? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. That means she will complete 25th February 2012. Examination complete. Examination will be complete. Examination will complete. Next, fifth one. Fifth one. Ramu did not attend the school from 1st March 2012 to 3rd March 2012. How many days he was absent? First, second, third. He absent. That means 3 days he absent. 3 days Ramu absent. Ramu were absent. Thank you. Remaining chapters will be uploaded in the next video.